Alright guys, today we're behind my bike shop, and as you can see behind me, we have the ramp set up, and today I got big plans. We have the whole crew hanging out here. We're going to get a couple tricks on it, but I'm going to attempt to go over the ramp for the first time since my accident. We're going to go talk to the guys right now. We're going to go figure out exactly what tricks they're going to be doing, and we're going to have some fun with this one. So let's go. All right, Matt, you're the first one up. Let's get this nothing over the box. Today's gonna be awesome because we actually have the new Honor 7X, and this is an awesome phone. It has an amazing camera on it. Let's see. Huge shout out to Honor for giving us a phone to play around with today. It was awesome. If you guys are interested in it, the link will be in the description below. So until next time, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Peace.